Hello everyone, I am Barasa. Today we are going to learn the fourth part of Learn Afaan Oromo basic words in alphabet A to Z. If you are new for my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and tutorials. Learn Afaan Oromo basic words in alphabet A to Z. G in Afaan Oromo, when we pronounce it, ga, ga, ga. Let's see some words. Ganda, ganda. Ganda means in English village, village, or you can say countryside, countryside. In Amharic, we used to say mandar, mandar, or you can say qabale, qabale. ገንዳ ማለት በአማርኛ መንደር ወይም ደግሞ ቀበሌ የምንል ነው የሚሆነው ትርጉሙ። የሚቀጥለው ወርድ ገምነ፣ ገምነ. Gamna means wise, wise, subtle, subtle. In Amharic, ጥበበኛ, ጥበበኛ means in Afaan Oromo gamna. ጥበበኛ ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ ገምና፣ ገምና ማለት ነው። የሚቀጥለው ገሞ, ገሞ means in English building, building, building. በአማርኛ ህንፃ የምንል ነው። ገሞ ማለት በአማርኛ ህንፃ፣ ህንፃ ማለት ነው። የሚቀጥለው the next word is gara. Gara means in English abdomen, or you can say stomach, stomach. በአማርኛ ገራ ማለት ሆድ፣ ሆድ፣ ሆድ ማለት በኦሮምኛ ገራ ነው የሚባለው። የሚቀጥለው ገኑ፣ ገኑ means in English diney, diney or ዴንያን፣ ዴንያን። በአማርኛ መካድ ማለት በኦሮምኛ ገኑ፣ ገኑ means መካድ፣ መካድ። ገጌሱ፣ ገጌሱ means in English leading, leading or guiding, just guide like that. In case of Amharic, መምራት. ገጌሱ means መምራት፣ መምራት። ጌጅባ፣ ጌጅባ, ጌጅባ means transportation, 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 transportation. በአማርኛ መጓጓዣ፣ መጓጓዣ ማለት ጌጅባ፣ ጌጅባ in Afaan Oromo. Gengo, gengo means in English circle, circle, circle. በአማርኛ ክበብ or ክብ የምንል ነው። ክበብ or ክብ የምንል ነው። ግዱ፣ ግዱ means in English center, center, or you can say interval, or you can say middle. There is a lot of words the same meaning with center, interval in English. Also same is true for Afaan Oromo. In case of Amharic, you can say Michael, Michael, or መሃል ማለት ነው። ግዱ ማለት በአማርኛ መሃል ወይም ማይከል የምንል ነው። የሚቀጥለው ግድራ፣ ግድራ ማለት ግድራ means in English agony, agony, or you can say misery, misery, misery. In Amharic, we used to say መከራ፣ መከራ። የሚቀጥለው ጎታ፣ Goota means in English hero, brave, hero, brave. በአማርኛ ጀግና ወይም ጎበዝ የምንል ነው። ጎታ ማለት ጀግና፣ ጎበዝ ማለት ነው። ጎዳንሳ 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 means immigration, 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 immigration. In case of Amharic, ፍልሰት ፍልሰት ጎዳንሳ means ፍልሰት ወይም መሰደድ ማለት ነው። The next one is ጉራ 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 means in English ear, ear. In case of Amharic, ጆሮ ማለት በኦሮምኛ ጉራ ነው የምንለው። ጆሮ ማለት ጉራ ነው የምንለው። ጉያ ጉያ means in English date, date, day የምንል ነው። Day means in Afaan Oromo ጉያ. In case of Amharic, ቀን ቀን ማለት ጉያ ማለት ነው in Afaan Oromo. The next one is start with H. When we pronounce ha, ha, ha like this, let's see some words. Haka, haka means in English fact, fact, justice, justice, reality, truth. There is a lot of words related to haka in Afaan Oromo. In Amharic, unit, ፍትህ እውነት ወይም ፍትህ ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ ሀቅ ሀቅ. Okay, the next word is halkan. Halkan means in English night, night, night means halkan in Afaan Oromo. In case of Amharic, we used to say lelit, lelit, lelit ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ halkan ነው የምንለው. ሀቱ 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 means in English thief, thief, thief. In case of Amharic, ሌባ የምንል ነው። ሌባ ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ ሀቱ ሀቱ ሀቱ. The next one is haadha, haadha, haadha means in English mother, 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 or you can say mom means in Afaan Oromo haadha. There is a lot of words used to call haadha or mother in Afaan Oromo. Harme, there is a lot of words just like other language. In case of Amharic, you can easily say innat. Innat ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ haadha, haadha, haadha ነው የምንለው. The other word is heera, heera. Heera means in English enormous, enormous, enormous means in Afaan Oromo heera, heera. In case of Amharic, ደንቦች, ደንቦች, ደንቦች ማለት heera in Afaan Oromo. heerumte, heerumte means married, married. Mostly we used to say heerumte. This heerumte is for girls, not for boys, okay? Not for male. Just for boys, we used to say fuudhe, fuudhe, not heerumte. This is for girls, for females. So, in case of Amharic, we can say አገባች, like that, አገባች. ለወንድ አገባች እንደማንለው በኦሮምኛ ውስጥም ሄሩምቴ የምንለው ለሴት ነው እንጂ ለወንድ አይባልም። ለወንድ ከሆነ ፉዴ ነው የምንለው። በአማርኛ አገባ እንደሚባል ማለት ነው። አገባች ማለት ሄሩምቴ ነው በኦሮምኛ። የሚቀጥለው ሄረጋ፣ ሄረጋ means in English calculation, calculation, or you can say mathematics, mathematics. Account, herrega, account, you can say like that. Herrega means calculation, mathematics, account, like that. In case of Amharic, ሂሳብ ሂሳብ ማለት በኦሮምኛ ምንድን ነው? ሄረጋ ሄረጋ ነው የምንለው። The next is ሂዳ 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 ማለት በእንግሊዘኛ in case of English ሂዳ ማለት imprisonment 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 putting someone in jail like that. Putting some person someone in jail means ሂዳ ሂዳ imprisonment. በአማርኛ እስራት 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 ማለት በአፋን ኦሮሞ ሂዳ። The next is ሂዲ 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 means in English lip lip, in Amharic ከንፈር ከንፈር ከንፈር። ሆጂ ሆጂ means in English job, work, activity, job, work, activity. In case of Amharic, we used to say ስራ 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 ማለት in English job, in Afaan Oromo ሆጂ. Okay, the next word is hojjeta. Hojjeta in English we used to say like this: employ, 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 or worker, worker. In case of Amharic we can say ሰራተኛ ሰራተኛ means in Afaan Oromo hojjeta hojjeta. The next word is hoggana 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 means in English leader 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 means hoggana in Afaan Oromo, and in Amharic we can say mari 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 means in Afaan Oromo hoggana hoggana. Humna 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 means in English force force, energy energy, power, force, energy. In case of Amharic we can say ኃይል ኃይል ኃይል. hundedura hundedura means in English foremost foremost foremost, or you can say first of all. Hundedura means foremost or first of all in case of Afaan Oromo or in case of English. In Amharic we can say ከሁሉም በፊት ከሁሉም በፊት means in Afaan Oromo hundedura hundedura. Thank you very much. We have completed our today's classes and see you on the next classes. On the next class we will learn the word starts using I and J.